Hi guys, let me show you how to make a multicolor flashing text effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, while you have a background layer in your timeline, select the Type tool, go to Preview window and type your text. Then go to Effect Controls panel under the Text section. Change the text fill color to red or something except black and white. Now go to the Effects panel, search for Color Balance and add the Color Balance HLS to your text layer. Select your text layer, go to Effect Controls panel, put the time indicator at the start of the layer, and click on the stopwatch icon next to the Hue under Color Balance section to create the first keyframe. Then move the time indicator to the end of the text layer and increase the hue. The more you increase your hue, the faster flashing colors you will get. Now when you play this back, you absolutely want to like this video. You can also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.